My name is Chad Lundy, and I'm one of the Boeing test pilots speaking to you from the Paris Air Show. And I'm going to describe to you a little bit about the 787 Dreamliner's performance that's wowing the world here today. Rolling down the runway, gathering speed and rotation. As he points the nose toward the air, look at the top of the aircraft. Beautiful display of performance. Pitch the nose over at this time. Gears coming up. Come back around to find show center. It's a beautiful overhead shot. Let's see the plan form of the wing of the aircraft. The 787-9 is an all-composite aircraft made by Boeing. This one in Vietnam Airlines livery. Ordering one of, this will be the first one of 19 of their aircraft. We'll go coming back around again for show center for another low pass. There's a steep dive back towards show center. Engines on this aircraft are about 20% more fuel efficient than other aircraft flying today. So far we've saved about 2 billion pounds of fuel since the aircraft entered service. Coming back around to show center again. Look at the beautiful bend on the wing, the lines of the aircraft. It goes pointing right at you. Another beautiful shot. 787-9 is the second variant that Boeing has for the 87. The first one being the Dash 8, and then be followed up by a little bit longer version called the Dash 10. There he goes, turning back outbound again. He'll come back around for landing. Here we are, base to final with the gear down. And he rolls out towards final. There goes, touchdown, perfect landing.